What if the real secret to boosting polymer performance and slashing costs isn't some expensive new resin, but the fillers and coupling agents you've probably been overlooking all along? In the world of polymer formulation, true innovation lies in mastering material interactions. The best R&D chemists and formulators aren't simply picking ingredients, they're engineering systems that are smarter, leaner, and much more cost-effective. Whether you're working with thermoplastics, composites, or advanced packaging, it all comes down to how well you manage compatibility, interfacial adhesion, and performance-to-cost ratios. Let me tell you, coupling agents, like silanes and titanates, aren't just nice-to-haves. They're the link between affordable fillers and genuinely high-performance results. And the industry? It's evolving at breakneck speed. Bio-based fillers, hybrid strategies, sustainability, it's all happening now. If you want to stay competitive and relevant, this is knowledge you can't afford to miss. So why should you join this online training? Let me break it down. First, you're probably leaving money on the table. Most people obsess over resin costs, but the real savings, often 20 to 30%, come from smart filler optimization. Second, even high-quality fillers can sabotage your results if they're not matched to the right coupling agent. This training shows you how to spot and fix those invisible compatibility issues before they wreck your quality control. Third, stop guessing. You'll get data-backed tools, selection matrices, and real-world case studies, so you can engineer better formulations and win more projects. Fourth, if you want to stand out in R&D, the ability to justify your filler systems with solid performance cost logic is a game changer. Finally, the future is hybrid and sustainable. This training brings you up to speed, so you're not left behind. It's perfect for R&D chemists, engineers, lab managers, anyone serious about mastering the next wave of polymer innovation. So don't just keep up, get ahead. Unlock the full potential of your formulations. Sign up now. To register, visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.